Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable iMessage. Step-by-step iPhone setup guide step-by-step clearly. Unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps if you are on a newer iOS version. Then find and tap Messages. If you do not see apps, scroll and tap Messages directly. On the Messages screen, find the iMessage switch. Tap the iMessage switch to turn it on. Wait a few seconds while your iPhone activates iMessage. If a pop-up asks about carrier charges for SMS activation, tap OK. Make sure your iPhone has a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or cellular data. Go back to Settings and tap Wi-Fi to confirm you are connected, if needed. If you prefer cellular, go to Settings, tap Cellular, and make sure cellular data is on. Return to Settings and tap your Apple account name at the top. Tap iCloud and confirm you are signed in with the correct Apple ID. Go back to the Messages settings screen again. Tap Send and Receive under iMessage. Check that your Apple ID email is listed and selected under You can receive iMessages to and reply from. If you want to use your phone number for iMessage, ensure your number is checked as well. If your Apple ID is not shown, tap Use your Apple ID for iMessage and sign in. Choose the address you want to start new conversations from in the Start New Conversations From section. Go back one screen and confirm iMessage is still switched on. Optional. Turn on Send as SMS so messages can send as regular texts when iMessage is unavailable. Optional. Turn on MMS messaging if you want to send photos or group texts with non-iPhone users. Now open the Messages app from your home screen. Tap the Compose button to start a new message. Type a contact name or phone number, then type a short test message. Tap Send and watch the bubble color. If the message bubble is blue, iMessage is working correctly. If the message bubble is green, check your internet connection and confirm iMessage is enabled in Settings. If activation is stuck, restart your iPhone and try turning iMessage off and on again in Settings. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy iPhone guides. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.